for Black Stars no. Say about say at this time in say event bi akobia no. Ritual ansa na yakọ. Na said ana mpanifo ta aka no. Yesi se wura fi na okofa inchiri. Eno ntino ya na kama this time omo no Alexandra Team Hotel. Na ya de ma the Black Stars of Ghana team no. Nano and president at the Ghana Football Association Nhyira Ketokreku odin sem kakra dia toja yentie no na afi yemfani Black Stars on common kakra because na mebie lines in tempa da omuso aba be choma dwen e dia fa dwumade no yentie ket.
I stand before all of you tonight, first of all, to say thank you for being very, very supportive of our Black Stars, for leaving your homes, traveling all the way here to say bye-bye to these boys and men who have offered themselves to make our dear country great and strong. When the MC was going through the intros, he did mention that our presence here marks the 5th time Ghana will be at the Mundial. We should be proud of ourselves. And in this 5th time, we say the time is now. In this 5th time, we are saying the time is now. You have no belief. Because if you do believe in what I'm saying, you'll be hopping and jumping and clapping and shouting. I am saying the time is now.
Okay. Enti ane GFA president Nhyira Ketokreku and odin komoyi editu dana na sam ne tintini ni tiete na ane say also the players na say I mean kasa abia ebo season wie yi esen komo kono mo no mabusua correct ni ade nanso Ghana ho donti omo dina awo USA omo ko shirt no e de ama oman no omo kokko e de ama oman kronkron Ghana. This is our 5th time I de aba e work out na me catch them samunyim huni. This is the time. So Ghana betuma bibi our World Cup in mua. This is the time because this is our 5th World Cup. Yeah, but and so as I on my okay as a players in the name. Hotel house to when you believe when you need. So this is the time. I know Nhyira Ketokreku name some of the two that I know Captain Jordan are you into on also after President Kasawi Nafi and Kakaka Memramona Yemi lines no ma achieve one rem.
A long journey to qualify for the World Cup, and I hope we've made you guys proud. We have 3 massive games for us, and we want to make you guys proud, we want to make Ghana proud. And obviously, it's not going to be easy, but with your prayers and your support, hopefully we'll be successful. So I want to thank everyone for your support and keep on praying for us because we're here to...
Okay, Jordan say, I would not players in a name. Now I catch the gun and Nibia say, "Eze baby edu no, momo empire, and for my team no lack ya born on Boboni Bibia, no minya lack and so and bet me abana or GDS say, or money in a couple near Bompire de Mama, almost players no, or my ready, so become one dia more mino, now obia so no, I am proud of the nation Ghana. Dude, Miss Abba, me her time na 18. Me too.
Rich, na me ho na medwin ade bi ho but maybe say no ho asem CCA. But edi kan Rich GFA president kasa no. Now all can say boys and men. Meboa. Or say boys and men. Rich, obi anya boy ho. Omu nyina ye men. Boy bi anywhere or Black Stars camp. And our boy be or Black Stars camp. When we were a boy or Debbie, how many I men, and then they can say me chose a crown crap $100,000. Me boy, so I cried a crown cry $100,000. I cried Debbie, young crown, and not a blast talent. So I'm going to go check out. Let me ask how could they be $100,000? Let me have 18 years. How could they be $100,000? Say W. Let me have my brand on one says on your boy. New fear that the chicken say boy, but the brand is a man. And pass on the mother there about to me decide the games. Okay. When him says say wa bear man enti nim fie no de dan so keke but the responsibilities na egu no so no per de dey man no or yes so adwuma pepepe enti Rich men ene e de omo ko boys no na starlets for no ti na omo de ya omo je competition kwa in terms sika ne mfa nhye omo nsem na emum ye de investment fund e de mo na daache omo nyini a omo betimi adi omo ho so a afi na sika no amachi okama na omo ade bo omo bra so okay even under 24 there no say na a 10-year period any investment
around for more there
say na for 10-year period
I think 2009 Egypt okay
na make say but investment no was for I think 10 years
10 years yeah it was 10 years
so endru afi na mamachi amadem ho a utimi sabi adwene ma hu de all this ka no ebeye to emu de amen omo amen omo nya boys na ayen na me sa adwene ade bi ho oni measure the president of Ghana's salary. I stand for correction. But measure a man pay salary na who say a man pay je be 50,000 Ghana cedis a month, which is titiska 500 million. To me check in and me see okay, equate it to $12,000. Now okay say uche mu abinya say $12,000. Sorry, $100,000. Emma 12 billion. Minim say kakrampo abede chira. Ti 12 billion am ka say a man pay ni say o hye ye players no. Sika ye tabri dia mom so mo nkwa ebe teki mampanyini emfie mienu ansa na say sika me ye atua ne ka right what I say the first gentleman of the land no emfie mienu say 50,000 no ene ne salary ankasa dia I say ebe teki no emfie mienu ansa na sika na ye tabri dia ma yem boys no ye mampanyini timi asobi mu
okay
say afebe 6 billion inti mfie mi ni 12 billion ti ano na kire o se no mo azumi o mampani road ya maye me wa e asudie kase e na e de ato so me nka se ye mfa sika no nya pressure mfa ma omo ana omo ho mratan no me me nya sa but ye mo hu se ye nim se dwumadie na mu kwakwakodi no asombo de ma ye na asonso entino as ambassadors for the nation Mumfa sade ni ndika nhyɛ mutrim se ekon na ɛda hɔ no nyɛ kon ketewa edu pro mpe o sa wona nkasa ogidi utie o ya nto ansam nya agi hudi na ti ase ewiase uni mo me pro mo asempa o mo gidi se o mu ni made ogi ni hudi because rich dia na ehuni obi o ho ni made ni yo but ehun nti no the level also okon ontimi nko time bia no I recall because onim say I say chale na me krade we metimi aye munji muhundi ji muhundi na yesu enya rehemu otim num ne emo mo nti ase se ye de sunsun ye kra ye bibia ye de ata omo achi
and Jordan say omo ade omo ho adi omo an mo nkamom na mo mpa ya mo they are ready to die
me mpa ya ne se nkambom but ya nkambom mpo a utie ye nya ne sankiepe ba yankambo mumpa no nye excuse em fa ma wo se undeliver
okay
mebo ye ka bo mo yankambo mu sade o se ma mo ya de ama mo ana mebo a ye nya ma mo ye de am awie me ba se ye ntimi ma metena platform yi so na ye nka na se head of sports ye wie adwuma mpanyimfo misa ne se ayala na ade ntina mo ntimi en deliver o se boss management e bia nkabom enima na mpanyimfo no nkabom ni ntimi en deliver se head of sports ntimi kwa kasa ade ntia because they also omo de ma ye bia no omo de akade na ma ye enti sa argument
enti players no enyo mu
yem plan is munti mu hundi na munti ase
Black Stars on command e be bia
munti ase se ekun na edam anim no eye ekun a bibia e possible mo betimi e bibia rich see ye de sade ne kwa e be boy enti oh yes I also just say overconfident no on say difference between obi overconfident and obi onim so betimi aye ade
okay okay but I say ala Bram kakra na me who say Mr. Fifi Manfred Ebraha he say the what address no one for Mr. na otoso he say ye fi bi wa mintim ni bi
me share said the kawa no menu abai na kawa na style crown now what pose the kawa na
say the menu on my mobo Mr. Manfred I'm too na me nyana me realize no
me phone
Black Stars just you know web
me were in a walk up mood now I don't know why there is also a Carlos Correz voice or send off Nase.
Okay.
And
I'm saying another man.
Born later. Now small can say no matter the results, yɛbɛbɔ World Cup na wie no. After every game biya Ghana ni biya benyashe no. Every Ghanaian will feel proud of the Black Stars. Intimidian no, and some Captain Jordan Kanye, and some of the FA President Aka. Nami Kambumwa. Message on me de war, Emma Black Stars in here. Rich, yeah, Ghana for idiot. Under no circumstances, in any reasonable society, and a Ghana. Me I'm the number one fan of Ghana in every competition ever called. No matter the challenges, say the industry may have. May assure say I have raised issues of governance. May raise issues of auditing, checks and balances, LFA, by raising issues of transparency, football money. But you can't say just to develop your game, no. But Rich, the moment any of our national teams, whether you're member team or you're team, whether you're club level, you jina akono as a Ghanaian product, I am the number one supporter of the team. Now, football there, Rich, and yet enough when you want to take me along with Wes. And he said, oh yeah, FA president. Say, oh yeah, Jordan as the captain of the team. Oh yeah, Carlos Kures as the head coach of the team. Now say, okay, me say, you are committed to die on the pitch for me. Obeko World Cup na Obama men who say, born a wobon would way you are come na obo na mamia. Rich, we enya tiare, I will see you play. Mesha the Wama Abuchoko Abe TV and watch you play. And Sadiana will do one okay. It must be seen in your actions on the pitch. And to football, and yet dim to court support. It is not difficult at all. Say Obi who say, oh, Nhyira who park in Eswa. And the Pakoni be na kumu matawich. That is the reason why. I told the yeah analyst no. Your type a typical football fan say, as a they blow cold and warm no. Enti ene Jonah yete kwa bobo no aye penalty mienu atwaso. Then people will bash him. The following match you will perform when people say, oh Jonah. That is how football fan typically here. Enti say I see ometa wechi no. Enya no.
Park no.
Mani hu bibi. Mani hu say o kun without the ball, you are chasing the ball. You are disciplined on the pitch. You want to do something. The moment a Ghanaian sees say you want to do something, no, and no never man say, oh, adia ni pakro ye die. Sa ebe na ye bu say the opa adia kokotoko ye nya na bro. That is what it means. You see it say ni pakon opeso ye bibi and sa dia ma me for me mpa ebo ni machita empusi no na onye. Nti ye say players no. Ye nyina ye ti say World Cup the first time ye ko bi nie. The reason why we all rose to support Asamoah and Stephen Appiah Muntari say they showed us something on the pitch. And a natural say the ewuso mu ye on pitch no. Yes your family dia was say ye the town machine. Ye the better machi. Rich and now me no ka say. Even the all bomb by a Bonema Blasters. E be kwa kwotete wa hwe. And say otete baby na o hwe game na. Na who say Blasters born a home model.
Be grow up bomb pa.
Na obi ye challenge kofo ne ya de omo kun ye nta o machia. Rich, your worst enemy can even turn your biggest fan in football overnight.
Right.
Enti players no ko yiro omo ho na omo ball no emfama ye. Say so there send na Judica they don't have any excuse. Say enti say omo kun appearance.
There obi answer
can be. Obi akase bibi ebeba emma ye. We've not heard anything. So if say ya family they should also do
Panama
part of the bargain, then the support will automatically follow.
Okay. Let us say Mr. Michael Usubempa Ayala, I don't know. Mr.